assembly station.
Got to the room. Here we go for the first time. Don't trip like you did last time.
Well, I don't have to bring in my luggage.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, a nice vanity mirror with some lights. This seems a little bit brighter than the other royal ships that we've been on. Ooh, look at this balcony. It's like really long.
Oh, that is big.
We got a really deep balcony.
Yeah, it's pretty big. I wonder if we're in that spot where it fans out a little bit.
Yeah, ever since Independence of the Seas, that's become our favorite to get the part of the ship where it angles so that you can get some extra balcony room.
But no, this definitely is pretty deep.
Like I even think this person's room like goes to here.
Huh.
We need some lounge chairs out here. What's going on?
Yeah, so this balcony definitely is pretty deep. I mean, you can see Claire in the background there. She's pretty far away, but we're in a spot where the ship does jet out a little bit, so which in result gives us a pretty deep.
I mean, I would
balcony.
say this is like longer than 6 feet. This is.
Yeah, it's nice. It's too bad we don't have lounge chairs though.
I know.
That's okay.
So this room feels a little bit lighter than some of the older Royal Caribbean ships that we've been on. This is one of the newer ships that we've been on. The ship was built in 2012, so the decor is just, it seems a little bit lighter and airier. One thing is we still don't have plugs at the bedside, so that's a bit of a downfall. This ship did not catch up to that.
Yeah, it was supposed to get amped up in during 2019 during the pandemic.
21,
20,
I believe. 20 or 21, I
but
believe.
it definitely happened.
And then we got a lot of use out of the shelves on our last cruise on the Carnival Breeze. So I'm excited to see those back because this is perfect for packing cubes. You can just put your packing cubes in there and kind of pull them out as you need them.
That was definitely helpful last time.
What else? Oh, look at this. We've got 3 plugs here. This is a little bit of a different setup.
That's
I
different.
don't know if that rotates.
Looks like it should.
Some additional shelving. Some drawers. Got your travel hair dryer. Some drawers. Have the cooler for the balcony room, which when you open the door,
it's attached to the door.
Attached to the door.
It's interesting.
And then they still give you some face masks if you care for that. Let's see. And the bathroom. You want to go in first?
Sure.
Check it out.
Hey, look, master switch.
I know, that's interesting.
Huh. Oh,
Your
look at
favorite
that.
glass. So it looks like it's wet, but it's not.
It's your beam me up, Scotty.
I know.
Shower.
It is nice to have the glass shower door, though.
Okay, it's a little bit different configuration than what we've seen in the past.
Yeah, it's definitely a longer vanity. And then normally the toilet's like in the corner.
Yeah.
And so this is interesting.
All right, so inside we have an all-in-one.
Yeah. I did bring the conditioner I purchased on the Breeze, so I should be covered for this cruise.
Hair and body, so no conditioner.
Yeah. But, oh, and there's a little rod for the ladies or whoever wants to shave their legs, they can shave their legs.
Thank you.
You never know, not just ladies.
So I just so happened to look underneath the little desk area here and found the outlets, and definitely have a European outlet here, another 120, and looks like a data drop, but obviously no data. So, but I mean, we do have this spot here, which is nice, but it's actually a little bit far away from the bed, so
Ooh.
need an extension cord, so we'll need to
Yeah.
ask for one of those.
So with this being our final night aboard the Allure of the Seas, we just wanted to give a quick rundown of what we thought of our room. We stayed in room 8194 and had an extended balcony. The room was great. We've had balcony rooms in the past, but I have to say with this ship being built in, I believe it's 2012, the decor seems a little bit more updated. I'm sure ships that were built in 2022 and coming up in 2023 and beyond will be much more modern, but the decor of this ship does seem to be a little bit more modern than what you see in ships built in the early 2000s and older than that. One significant bonus from this room was that we had 3 American outlets on the desk and additional outlets below the desk. So that was very helpful for charging equipment, phones. Instead of using 2 non-surge protected strips like we normally do, we only had to use 1 on this cruise. So that was a nice change. Overall, we really enjoyed the room. This room is more forward on the ship, but we really enjoyed this balcony. And would definitely recommend this room and room type if you're interested in sailing on Allure of the Seas.